It's about, no, it's not about animals. It's about, it's not about mathematics. It's about, no, it's not about computer graphics. It's not about wars. Yes, it's about, no, it's not about spirituality. It's not about quantum entanglement. It's not about algorithms. No. It's about birds.
Are you not bored of the same old life? Work, home, work from home? Huh? Do you want to relax? Don't you want a life full of freedom, comfort, and relaxation, and all in the sky? Yes. Here we go. Here is your chance. The sky wall is almost finished. Let the audition begin.
Free hugs, my children. Free hugs, my child.
Accepted.
No dreaming, no imagination, no questioning in the classroom.
No imagination.
No imagination.
No criticism.
No criticism.
No questioning.
No questioning.
Accepted. Rejected. Accepted. Accepted. Rejected. Rejected. Accepted. Accepted. Rejected. Accepted. Rejected. Accepted. Enter. வணக்கங்கண்ணா. என்ற பேரு அரிஸ்ட பணிசுங்கண்ணா. எங்க ஊர்லயே நான் தான் பெரிய தெய்வங்க. காட் ஆங்க. அண்ணா நாங்க ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறோங்கண்ணா. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறோம். நீங்க பார்த்து ஒரு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குங்கண்ணா. காட் இஸ் be my assistant.
Excuse me, I heard there's an audition for cats.
Birds.
Shut up. I'm a pussy. I'm a pussy. I really love big dogs. I'm a pussy. I really love big dogs.